Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine. Dear students, as you know that we have completed our first term syllabus that consists of unit number 1, the human body, unit number 2, the senses, unit number 3, healthy habits, and unit number 4, plants. Dear students, now we will go through the revisions so that we can be able to do our assessment test. So we are going to start our revision lecture number 1, that is about the unit number 1, the human body. Dear students, you have learnt in this unit that you have different body parts. Each part of the body has a job to do. People look different from each other. Living things need food to grow. The difference between living and non-living things. Dear students, in this unit we have discussed that each body part has a name and a job to do. As we use our mouth to eat and speak, hands to hold things, and feet to run, walk, or move. Dear students, we have talked about in this unit the difference between living and non-living things as well. We have discussed that all living things need food to grow, and living things also need water and air to stay alive. Dear students, on page number 3 you have an oral question, and the question is, how are people different from each other? The answer is, people are different in age, height, size and color. Dear students, you have to learn this question by heart. Dear students, on page number 5 we have few oral questions. Question number 2 part A is, which foods do you like? Answer is, I like apple and pizza. You can write the names of foods you like. B part is, make a list of foods you usually eat at home. Answer is, chapati, chicken, rice, fruits and vegetables. We have question number 3, which foods are from animals and which ones are from plants? We will give the answer regarding this picture. The answer is, foods from animals are chicken, mutton and beef. Foods from plants are apple, spinach, tomato and carrot. Dear students, learn these oral questions by heart. Students, now we are going to revise the exercise which we have already completed in the earlier lectures of unit number 1. Question number 1 is, choose the correct answer. And we have the statement number 1, which part of the body do you use to hold a pencil? The options are fingers, toes, nails or elbows. To hold a pencil, the answer is fingers. Statement number 2 is, what does a kitten grow into? The options are a boy, girl, dog, cat. A kitten grows into cat is the correct answer. Statement number 3. How many thumbs do humans have? Options are 1, 2, 3 or 4. So how many thumbs do we have? We have 2 thumbs. The correct answer is 2. Statement number 4 is, which of these is a living thing? Options are bicycle, hat, crow or pencil. Living thing is crow. Statement number 5. Which of the following is not part of the human body? The options are head, neck, tail and back. So, tail is not the part of the human body. So, correct answer is tail. Dear students, on page number 6 we have question number 2. Mark these sentences with tick or cross. Number 1. All human beings begin life as babies. This statement is correct. So we will put a tick. Number 2. All living things need air. This is also correct statement. So we will put a tick. Number 3. All children look the same. सब बच्चे एक जैसे दिखाई देते हैं? No, this is wrong statement. Number 4. Plants do not need food to grow. क्या plants को food की जरूरत नहीं होती? This is wrong statement. So we will put a cross. Number 5. Human beings, plants and animals grow. This is correct statement. So we will put a tick. Dear students, on page number 7 we have question number 3. Tick the living things and cross the non-living things. Here we have a picture. So let's see which are living and which are non-living things. So let's start with the plant. Plant is a living thing. Cat is a living thing. Turtle is a living thing. Hat, a non-living thing. Spider, a living thing. Car, a non-living thing. Toy, a non-living thing. House, non-living thing. Dear students, on page number 7 we have question number 4. Look at the pictures below. Circle the part of the body that is being used for each action. Here we have a picture. Let's see which part of the body is used for these actions. Picture number 1. A boy is working at the computer. He is using his hands. Picture number 2. A boy is listening to the music. He is using his ears. Picture number 3. A man is looking through telescope. He is using his eyes. Picture number 4. A girl is smelling a rose. She is using her nose. In next picture, a boy is sitting on his knees. He is using his knees. In next picture, a man is cycling. He is using his legs. In the last picture, A girl is eating something and she is using her mouth. Dear students, it was all about our revision lecture number 1. Learn all oral and written questions to get ready for your upcoming assessment test. Hope that the lecture was helpful to you. If you have any query, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment box. Stay blessed, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.